How to recover deleted files from Google Drive. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Accidentally deleted a file from your Google Drive? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted files from Google Drive. So let's jump right into it. First, open Google Drive on your browser and on the left hand menu, click Trash. Here you will see all the files you have deleted within the last 30 days. To recover a file, right click on it and select Restore. The file will be moved back to its original location in your drive. If you are using the mobile app, tap the menu icon in the top left, then select Trash. Tap and hold the file you want to recover, then choose Restore. If the file isn't in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. In this case, go to the Google Drive Help Center and request a file recovery. Keep in mind this only works if the file was deleted recently. And that's it. Recovering your deleted files from Google Drive is super easy. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.